Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This updated guide explains how to use a stretch dock line safely and effectively. Begin by inspecting the line visually and by feel for frays or cuts. Check manufacturer load ratings and note if the rated capacity drops by 25%, replace the line. Keep hands clear of bites under tension. Wear gloves and non-slip shoes while working near the rail. Ensure the line length suits a 30-foot slip with a bit of slack for tide changes. Secure the area and brief passengers before mooring. Stage the dock line by wrapping it twice around the stern fairlead, then run it to the cleat. Tie a cleat hitch for quick release and a bowline for permanent attachment to fixed eyes. Leave a 12 to 18-inch tail visible to check for slippage. Keep one hand on the bitter end and one on the standing part while dressing the knot. Ease tension gently and let the line stretch over several minutes to avoid sudden shock loads on hardware. After rigging, monitor the stretch and tension for 24 to 72 hours and adjust as needed. If the line elongates more than 3.5 inches, retension it slowly to maintain safe clearance. Clean stretch lines with fresh water after salt exposure and hang them to dry before storage. Store in a cool, shaded place away from direct sunlight to reduce UV degradation. Inspect annually for abrasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.